Hi, Steven.
Hello,
Kamusta being one of the ambassador ng Close Up ngayon?
Masaya naman. It's really a big honor kasi alam mo naman na Close Up is one of the big brands here sa Philippines. So I'm really honored that they chose me, and I'm really excited kasi I've heard some of the plans for their music festival, and it sounds really fun. So I'm excited.
Kamusta yung anong mga projects mo ngayon, incoming projects?
Ngayon, may mga projects ko I'm a regular sa Indio, and I'm also still a regular sa Party Pilipinas, and also part of this being part of Close Up. So medyo naging busy ako recently.
Ay, nandun ka ba nung time na nangyari yung issue about yung performances nila, Lovie?
Yes, nandun ako actually.
Napanood mo yung yung time na yan?
Napanood ko siya.
Anong masasabi mo doon? Talaga bang kailangan siyang medyo ganun ba ka?
Oh my gosh. I mean, like, there were some bad things that happened over there, and I mean, we have to take it and learn from it. If we made a mistake, we have to learn from it and fix it in the future.
Ginawa niyo rin ba sa daho yan, yung time na yan? I mean, di ba? You're part of yung mga nagdadaho.
Yo, sa Star Talk.
Sa Star Talk.
Bago din ako nag-guest sa Star Talk kasi I think si Enzo, he has a regular show, so I'm taking over for his place. So I think now I'll be a regular there sa Star Talk.
Talaga? You're part of that na?
Yeah.
Kamusta naman? Kumaga nasa isang talk show ka na, ganun yung ginagawa mo, di ba?
Masaya. It's a different experience kasi like before, I'm part of Party P, I'm part of drama shows. Ito naman is like more sa hosting. So I think it's a different experience and I can learn from it.
Ikaw ba being an actor, ano yung gusto mong tahakin sa career mo?
I mean, siyempre, gusto mo na ma-experience yung different roles. I want to try different roles para I can expand myself as an actor. Hindi naman like lagi na either like, being this type of role. Like, I don't want to be typecast as a certain type of actor.
Si Rocco nagbading na. Ikaw ba nagawa mo na yung ganon? Or parang...
I haven't done that, pero if ever na the role comes to me, and I think it's a chance for me to grow, pwede naman.
How about yung more mature roles? Like on a sexy role or gay role or yung male to male?
Like I said, even enrolling like, a role na bilang isang bading or something like that, like mga gay roles. I think if the script is good and if it's also a chance for me to go, why not?
You are, diba? You are, tawag dito, kabatch ni Sarah?
Yes, kabatch ni Sarah.
Kamusta nung nangyari yung time na nangyari sa kanya? Anong reaction nyo being part ng niya?
Naawa ko sa kanya kasi parang hirap yung situation niya. I really don't know all the details. I've tried talking to her, but I think she's been so, nung time na yun, she was so busy trying to take care of everything. So I really worry about her. I've messaged her like her email and like Twitter, and I told her if ever, she needs someone to talk to. Siyempre, kabatchmate kami. So I told her, we're still here for you, and we're also praying for like, whatever happens, the best happens for her.
Sumagot ba siya? I mean, sumagot siya sa'yo?
Sabi niya sa akin na, thank you, alam ko na andun kayo for me, and sana if ever pwede siya bumalik dito sa Pilipinas para mag-resume yung work niya. Kasi sayang talaga si Sarah. I think yung last year nung nangyari yung mga complications doon, parang it's really the time na parang umakyat yung career ni Sarah. So nasakto after she was getting her shows, nangyari yun, so parang wala na siya. So I really hope na she can come back.
Do you still have communication ngayon?
Yes, we talk every now and then.
Kamusta daw siya doon?
Siyempre, okay naman siya kasi yung time na yun before, andun yung dad niya. Tsaka yung kasama niya dito is her mom. So at least ngayon, kompleto sila. Diba? Their whole family's together doon sa Switzerland. So,
okay.
so yun.